Well, hi there. Welcome to another Munch Pack unboxing. We just got this right from the mailman today. Happened to be up a little odd hour. This was packed by Nick. And we have from Brazil. I'm not even going to try to mangle this at all. Looks like prosciutto crackers. Okay, crunchy and savory prosciutto flavored crackers. Well, at least I know how to say prosciutto. Oh, prosciutto. All right, and this is from Brazil as well. And these are crunchy roasted corn balls with a savory cheese flavor. That actually sounds pretty good. Yeah, my cheesy poos. Oh, I think this is the same juice as I got last time. From the UK, it is mango and coconut juice with a hint of chili flavor. I may be mistaken, I don't know. We'll see. And from China. This is the first thing from China I've gotten in these. These are chewy strawberry and banana flavored gummies in the shape of monkeys. Monkey party. Nice. From Japan, we got crunchy chocolate cookies drizzled with chocolate and salt. Yeah, that sounds nice. And from good old USA right here, we got some crunchy peanuts infused with savory taco flavor. Be different. Oh, nice. From Thailand, we got Glico Pocky chocolate banana flavor. Pocky sticks. I like Pocky sticks. Yeah, pretty good. And we've got from Italy, we got soft and soft and fluffy cake bar with cocoa coating and a caramel cream center. From the UK, we got chewy bite-sized strawberry candies. Nice. From Serbia, we got sweet milk chocolate bar filled with coconut cream. It's different. From Israel, we've got light and flaky hazelnut wafer coated with rich milk chocolate. And I believe that's a wrap. Oh, nice. Oh, and our sticker this time. Oh, and I was holding it that way the whole time. I think I might just be horrible. I apologize. All right, well, thanks for watching. See you next time.